It's good to see you here again in Toronto. Once again, I'm Sunil Sharma, the Managing Director of Techstars here in Canada. I see a lot of startups from across Canada and across the world. In fact, at Techstars, we have invested in more than 200 companies in Canada, making us one of the largest investors. And so it's really hard to compare what Collision does for the Canadian ecosystem. I've seen this firsthand at their other conferences, Web Summit in Lisbon, Portugal, recently in Rio, Brazil, previously in Hong Kong, and next in Qatar. And as a proud Canadian, I am just thrilled that Canada is doing everything it can to keep Collision in Canada indefinitely. Here at Collision, we gather some of the next generation leaders who are shaping the world. And if you're like me, you're also here for the startups. And we have more than 1,400 of them. And as you heard from Patty a bit earlier, we are welcoming nearly 500 women-founded startups at this event. We have more than 150 companies that came and discovered by our Amplify initiative for disadvantaged founders. More than 250 impact startups are here. And we've counted about 95 trade delegations that have come over. There are people who have traveled to Toronto from many cities and countries from around the world, from Nigeria, Brazil, India, Pakistan, Korea, and many more countries, and we welcome you all. There are also more than 230 global partners here, companies like Amazon and Stripe and Volkswagen and Twilio and many more, and they're all here to meet you. Collision startups have been raising money. The startup class at this event in 2021 alone has raised $644 million, and we've invested in some of them ourselves. So I'm really proud to have been part of the growth of this really cool gathering here in